Hi everyone. The word of the day is tete-a-tete. Let's look at the meaning of this word. The word tete-a-tete is a noun and it is used for an informal private conversation between two people, especially friends. For example, teachers get easily annoyed when they hear students have a tete-a-tete chat amongst themselves during their lecture. Now let's look at some more example sentences. They had a quiet tete-a-tete over dinner last night. Are you determined to cut short this pleasant tete-a-tete? You want to go have a tete-a-tete with Garmendia, you go ahead. We must have a tete-a-tete sometime. We dine tete-a-tete. Thanks for watching. If you like this video then please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel.